Hi Sas'kittens and happy POCKY Day! Today we celebrate it with a Japan candy box. I know it's about Halloween, but today it's not Halloween. It came really late this time, but it's not Japan candy box fault, it's my post office fault. Let's open it even if it's not Halloween. The first item that I'm going to show you is POCKY. Halloween POCKY. They are so nice and I know they will be delicious. Here it is. I want to do the POCKY game with someone, but I'm alone. Let's do POCKY Day with me. Obviously in the box you'll find this that explain everything in the box. And there are a lot of things about Halloween. This package are really cute and kawaii. With Japan candy box you can receive every month a box like this. Sometimes about only kawaii stuffs, but this time is a special one because it's Halloween. Biscuit, chocolate biscuit. Let's continue with some snacks. I love this packaging because it's all about Halloween. Okay, this one. Good. Oh, so nice. Oh, ta-da! These candies. There's a skeleton here. Another skeleton. Yeah. Sugar. Let's go on because there are a lot of things in this box. Even if it's small, there are a lot of things. Other candies. There's a witch. A lot of balls, little balls. You can mix them and do other flavors like in these photos. Oh, yum! They are caramel corn. I know they are delicious. Oh, umaibo, they are my favorite. This one maybe is pumpkin or maybe sweet. I don't know exactly what it tastes like, but it's delicious. It's salty. It's like pizza corn, tutto. Other candies, and then maybe strawberry. It's a gum, another gum. Yum. Now my tongue is red. Oh, again my favorite candy is Monster Stamp. You have to. This time I know it well. How to do. Oh, so cool. Halloween stamp candy. You have to lick. And okay, maybe too much tongue this time. Okay, let's do again. Okay, here they are. So nice. I love them. Yeah. Again. Yeah. And they are all so good. Okay, last thing in this box. And after I say to you how to participate at the giveaway for winning a box like this. Ta-da! Other candies. Okay, you have to put the water and you do the candies. So maybe later I'll do it. They're finished. I want again another box. They're very delicious and I always like all these things or these snacks from Japan. I remember to you they are from Japan, so as you can see there's Japanese sign here. I can read them, but they are made in Japan for sure. So the video is ended, but there's a giveaway only for you that you can participate by clicking the link in the description. Go to the site and it's very simple to participate, and you can win a Japan candy box like this for free. Thank you so much for watching Sas'ke. I have to thank all my Sas'ke on Patreon. Thank you so much guys for supporting me, it's really appreciated. And so thanks Shitai, Madeleine, Azalea and Miss Luna. See you next video Sas'ke. Bye bye. Happy Pocky Day, Sas'ke!